cute. It's a present for Brittany.
Okay, Brittany.
Tear the papers. That's just
There,
the
you
tear.
put the papers in.
It's a puzzle.
It's a puzzle. Cool.
Franklin puzzle, Brett. How cool is that? We can do that later, okay?
Don't open it up. Hang it back till you get home.
How cool. We'll probably have to do it here. We'll never wait till we get home. Are you kidding?
Here's another one for Brittany. The big one.
You want me to hold it for you, or you tear? You tear and I'll hold. Oh.
You wanted it.
That'll be fun, won't it?
Yeah, can we open it?
Well, let's open the rest of your presents and then we'll open your toys up after we open the presents, okay?
Okay.
Deal?
You know, I don't know if Gloria's got a living boyfriend or got married. I got a card from her that said Gloria, Jeff, and Stephanie.
Yeah.
And it didn't have it on the return address. It didn't give a name, just a home address. I didn't send. I cut mine down, so I didn't send it.
It's got my name on it. Do you want me to open it?
No, I can open it. With this,
What is that?
Cool.
this
What
is
is
yours.
it?
Did you know?
Oh, cool. You like that one, don't you?
Yes, I do. Thank you.
This is one for Grandma. You want to
That's
open it
for
for
Grandma.
her?
Whoa, you want to open Grandma's for me? Okay, come here. Look. See who this is from. Come up from Scott, Colette, Britt, and Nan. See that bag? I good deal. That night I got in there and I saw every one of Maddie's, I put them there, I put M-A-T-T-I-E. So I had to come in the next day to make all the T's D's.
That's funny. Right here.
Hey, Pumpkin.
Yeah.
Want a present?
Ooh.
We'll get a present.
Ooh.
Don't be late.
Do you want a
Oh,
present? We'll
beautiful.
get you a present.
I love it. I love it.
I was walking by him and it just jumped out at me.
Yeah, that's good.
I thought it was really neat. Coles again. Tell him.
I love that.
Hey.
And sit down here. The sweater weather's just perfect. I'm gonna eat something else.
Well, I remember you saying that and I thought it had the zipper. It would be
Yeah.
easy to, you could just throw it on over stuff. And
Right?
I thought it was really neat though. I
Brett?
almost bought one for me.
Brett, look at this. For you.
For me?
For
Want me
you.
to hold it while you open it? It's just reminds me of you.
What is it?
This is a pretty doll to set up in your room and look at.
Whoa.
Okay? This is not to play with because she'll break.
I want this one.
Well, we can put her up in the
I
room.
want
What's the matter? You not giving you attention?
Well, we'll open it later and you can look at it, okay?
no. What's this?
Well, we'll see, okay.
Look, here's one for Maddie.
You want to open Maddie's for?
That's got a big one. That's big, too big for Maddie, isn't it?
Whoa, what is
She is
that?
gonna like that.
Whoa.
I thought this was so cute. They can push it.
Like that.
They can push it and sit on it and it
Yeah.
sits up.
Cool.
Isn't that neat? So she'll be able to ride it and push it and play with it. And
That's pretty neat, isn't it?
I love those toys that do like that.
What?
that?
Whoa.
So she'll be ready for that too.
One for Brittany.
What is it?
Well, you have to open it to find out. Another pretzel! How cool! We'll open it in a little while, okay? Let's open all the presents and then we'll open this stuff. Okay?
Here's one for Grandma.
Okay.
Oh, oh. Pretty. Christmas fair. That's
We're
pretty.
late this year, but
Well, you know, these are just snowman and doesn't have cookie and wear on.
that's part of the reason I got it.
Yeah,
And I thought it was neat.
I like that. Thank you. Oh, that'll be all dressed.
Here's another one for Brittany.
Yeah, that's what my mom likes too.
Yeah, but the most of them I got this time was too big to put in those.
Whoa, cool.
Is that with me?
This one's for Maddie.
Oh, nice.
You wanna open these? Wait, let Mommy help you untie it.
I get untie it.
You might just have to reach through.
You'll have to just pull it out. Just pull it out.
What is it?
Grandma will want to keep her bags for next year. How cute!
Yummy.
It's jammies.
Oh, that's cute.
There's more.
Aw, those are cute. Those are cute, aren't they?
I think she had something sort of like that when she got
What
here
about
before,
that
didn't
one?
Here,
she? Did she have something sort of like
look,
that?
this present is from Sarah and Anna.
I don't know, I don't remember.
That's from Sarah and Anna, your cousins.
You remember Sarah and Anna?
I know those.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. It's a duck shower radio.
It's a radio for the shower, for when you take a bath.
It's a radio for the bathtub.
And can listen to it in the bathtub?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is Look, it's towels.
Yeah.
Look at all these towels.
Cool. Ooh, those are pretty. Thank you.
You know, I bought those and I grabbed what I thought was wash bath cloths. And got home, they had these long things, and I went back on that, and she said, oh, we can't from them have the long, the bath cloths, the big bath cloths. And I thought, well, if she doesn't want them, she can cut them off. And then I just used them one day, and I thought I found some bath cloths like it, but I put them in there, but they're not exactly. But they're like those teeth.
Yeah.
Oh,
They're pretty. We need new towels and stuff so bad at our house that
Yep. Everything's like I
well, that's it, that's the one they consider.
Yeah.
That cloth, I thought, that's just a new bath cloth.
Here's one for Mommy.
said. For mom?
Yeah.
put that back in the bag you just got here, so we don't lose it. Ooh. Ooh, I like this. Thank
Always
you.
tight.
Cool. I love these. Ooh, I'm telling you what. Cool.
Why not?
Well, I'll just hold it up, okay? Thank you. I like this. Cool.
Why didn't open this?
Here's one for Maddie.
I'm gonna have to get scissors to open it. We'll have to wait.
Here's one for
Open
Maddie.
Maddie's present for her.
The last present.
We want this really bad.
There's fishies for her bed. True.
That's for Daddy.
This was for me. You want to open it?
You want to open Daddy's
You
present?
want to open my present?
It's white t-shirt.
It's movies. Look. Ooh, cool. Spider-Man. We got the movie.
Have you got any of those?
No. Cool. These are all good.
Nope, I did
movies.
good this year. I gave different lists to everybody finally.
These are all real good.
Getting the
movies.
hang of this.
Some of those were those that he told me he saw at Sam's
I
after
can't
Christmas
get
last
open
year.
till I get a pair of scissors. You're getting halfway.
We got one for Maddie. You want to open it, Brett?
That's why you need to talk to me before you go buy something that's not on your list.
Oh, I got a present for Brittany. Wait, why don't you open Maddie's present first and then we'll open your present? Okay.
Maddie's.
This is Maddie's here. Can you open it?
No, open mine.
You're gonna go hers first. Then you open it.
4D batteries.
4D batteries?
We're gonna go through D batteries like they're. Everything we got this year takes batteries.
You're gonna go to Dollar General and buy some batteries.
I got a bunch of battery coupons in the car. So.
Sam's had this battery dispenser.
I want one of those in a bad way.
$20 and it has 30 batteries in it.
Another puzzle? How cool!
Whoa!
Yeah, we need to go get
Okay,
that
here's Maddie.
because I really want one of those.
What,
Battery
It's
dispenser.
And it's an organizer. Then you can put as you can put batteries in it. You can hang them on the wall. Because I hate them all in my drawer. I've got
yeah,
tons of them.
yeah.
I don't know where we put it, but maybe put it in the utility room.
Or in the pantry.
Yeah, in the pantry, that would work.
Brittany's gonna love this. We wanted one of these so bad with Brittany, we never got it.
Yeah, I
I
figured
was gonna
Brittany'd
open
be
the
the one
box
to play with
for
most
ya.
of theirs and for a while.
Here, let me open the box and you can play with it, okay?
This is for Grandma. You want to open it?
Oh, another one? Mm.
This one's a present.
Take it out of the box, out of there for her. Show her what it is. She's gonna love it.
Yeah. Hold it
Give it to her.
Oh, God.
Let her see what it is.
Eggnog cream, chocolate cream. Oh, there. Betty made you in.
Yeah, but, each box has a different kind of candy in it.
Oh, my
Here.
goodness. Ooh. Thank you. Yeah, they don't open that yet.
Honey, yeah, just leave that like that.
Let's leave that like that.
Good. Here's one for Mommy and Daddy. You want to open it for us? Looks just heavy.
You get different sheets.
Anything dirty,
Thank
you
you.
dusty.
Great.
Everybody we know has one of these except for us, and she loves things. Thank you. I got sheets and towels. I'm excited.
Rubber ducky,
You need them
the
so
one.
bad.
You make bath time so much fun.
Hey, Brett. Here's another one for Maddie. Here, you open this present for Maddie?
Rubber ducky.
You see what that is?
You just look at, okay?
Whoa.
See, this is a pretty doll for Maddie that's gonna go in her room. Because see, she'll break if you play with her.
Here, Brett. Open my present for me.
Except
That's what my
for
present is. What is it? What is it? Is it a shirt? Whoa, looky. A shirt for me. Oh, I got another present for Brittany. You gonna open it?
Come here. You're set on my lap.
I want to do it.
Okay.
Oh,
Whoa. Look at that.
got all all about that.
Here, let's get Mommy to take it out.
Thing.
You can do all kinds of stuff with
I
that.
had
She has been dying for this. She has been asking for that too. That and that computer and that sit and spin. She has one of those three things.
Whoa! Cool. You can play with that on the way home.
It'll take me a while.
It's a cheerleader outfit. Cool. You can be a cheerleader. He's got pom-poms. See? He's got pom-poms and a little dress and a skirt. Yeah, you can be a cheerleader.
Kim was out shopping, she called me and said,
See,
"Bridget,
look.
still in the dress up thing?" I said, "Well, I know she got a lot of stuff like
You dress up like a cheerleader.
For Madison.
Yeah. Come over there.
Well, I had that packed up, didn't I?
That's how they do them all. It's just,
Whoa, look at that.
yay.
That's what you do.
More baby toys. You know what we gotta do with that?
Leave it here.
Take it to my mom's.
Oh, yeah.
Because they're over there a lot, and then we wouldn't have to haul toys over there with us.
Right.
They'd have their own.
That's true.
Keep on what she said.
Go ahead.
Sticking all of my toes, so get out here. Oh, how neat. Oh, wow.
Jeez. I don't know how we're going to get him home.
Cool.
Uh,
That was a toy from here.
I know.
Toy.
you want this bag, Mom?
Yeah, I guess so. Well, you know what that is.
Oh, yeah! Cool! Thank you!
This is the one you wanted?
This is the one I wanted, Scott.
Okay.
Pick it up.
I thought it was like an upright thing.
I thought upright, and I thought, well, it's not much more things, and I thought, well, this one, how you take it out and do it in the car, and
Yeah, you can use it in the car. And really all I need is for spot removal, because my carpet's not that filthy. If I'm gonna have the whole carpet done, I'm gonna call Stanley Steamer. But,
Oh, it's got a little...
yeah,
Oh, okay, it's got a little attachment.
yeah. But I thought this would be great, we can use it in the
it
car.
says it has as much suction as,
I've talked to a couple people that have them and absolutely love them. They said they like these better than the upright kind. Because you can carry it with you and get all the little spots.
yeah, you use it on your sofa.
Yeah, because I can use it on the stairway and I'm so excited.
Okay, we got one more present for Brittany. One more. Okay,
Do you wanna
you want to
open
open it? Here, we'll put it out in the middle there so you can take a look at it. Look, Britt. Britt.
Oh.
This is from Mommy and Daddy, Brittany.
It's for you, but it's from
For
Mom
you,
and
but
Dad.
Mommy and Daddy got it for you. Here, tear it.
Oh, it's a box.
What's in there?
She got it. I didn't give it to her.
Oh wait, there's one more from Madison. Open that.
I didn't give it to her. She picked it up on
Huh?
her.
Train wreck.
Yeah, that must be a guitar. What is it?
Scooter,
It's
Brett.
a scooter, just like Natia's.
together?
Yes. We even brought your helmet so you can wear it while you're playing it.
Oh my goodness.
See, it's a scooter.
Looky, Brett.
Look. It's just like Natia's. Ha 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 ha.
You have to screw it.
Yeah. Well, we got to put it together, okay? It's not together yet.
Do you like it?
Oh, we got the two wheels on the back.
Yeah.
Brett, do you want to
Here.
open Maddie's present or do you want
Open
me
my
to?
I gotta put this together. Look, it's not together yet. See, I gotta fix it.
Do you want me to open this?
Then
Or do you want to?
open that for Maddie, and then I'll get this together for you.
But you can
You
wear
okay?
it together.
We can use this.
What is it?
It's a toy tote.
Oh,
And a little lamb.
Try
David
it.
Carolyn.
Oh,
stand up, and I want to see how high you're making it. Whoops. Here, stand up
Oh,
on
this
here.
is cool. It
it's
pops
from
up.
Sarah Nana, not David Carroll.
Okay, well,
I can do it.
that family. It's
Is
from
that
that
how-
family,
is that-
you know, okay?
Is that right there, or you want it higher? You want it right there?
No,
You want it right there?
I guess so. I didn't read
Okay.
the bag. I knew who.
Okay, get off. Let me. I gotta put this thing on.
Dad, let's see.
You jamming? With your Ducky radio on your scooter? Cool. Okay, let's go. Zoom.
Come on, Dad.
Okay, just a minute.